Bengi ya NCBA no ethiete na mbere na kwihanda time ya bengi iria nene bururi-ini umuthi wikianirira gukura gwa baita yayo na gicunji kinene kiigana rimwe ria 24 harĩ igana harĩ baita ya ciringi mbirioni 10.2 kuringana na mathabu ma bengi no maria marekereirio ni murugamĩrĩri munene John Gachora. Utonga wa kambuni no wongererekete na gukinyiria ciringi mbirioni 591 guku nakuo mbeca iria cigitwo ni ahuthiri a bengi no igikinyiria ciringi mbirioni 469.
We reported 10.2 billion shillings, and that is 102 times over what we had last year, so more than double where we had last year. If I start with deposits, we were up 12% year over year on deposits, coming close to 470 billion.
Ari bengi iria kurite muno hari uheani wa motungata ma kibeca kuhitukira mitambo ya kiriu kwa muhiano mubango-ini wa Fuliza na M-Shwari. Bengi ino niyaniriire kuheana ngombo cia ciringi mbirioni 584 kuhitukira njira cia kiriu.
If you look at Kenyan banks, that puts us pretty high, perhaps second in terms of deposits in the country. It speaks to the trust that our customers have continued to show in us. It speaks to the work we have done to our customers in terms of service improvements.
Ningi bengi ino niretira gukorwo ikiararamia motungata mayo mwaka muhituku ikiandirira kuhingura honge 12 guku bururi-ini, honge 2 bururi-ini wa Rwanda, undu umwe na ruhonge rumwe bururi-ini wa Uganda, undu uri utanyite kwa danduru.
Our strategy really talks about 4 key thematic areas or priorities. One is scaling retail banking, and to that end, as David mentioned, we opened 12 branches in Kenya last year.
Mwaka-ini wa 2021, bengi ino irari na baita itari-ini ria bengi iria heanaga motungata makinyanirite kuri ahuthiri ayo, guku ningi gitarwo na baita harĩ itari ria bengi iria iri na utonga munene. Handũ-ini ya Kameme TV ritwa rakwa ni Bataru wa Mwangi.